Hey guys, I received a camping chair free for review. This chair it comes in this little carry-on case, which is about 2 pounds. And inside here, we're going to have the netted seat and then the legs to put the chair together. And the legs are magnetic with strings in there. So you just watch and see how easy this is to put this chair together. This is the legs. Okay, I changed places because the kitten was not allowing me to do this where I was sitting. And then these are the sticks that come inside the bag. This is the seat that you attach. So this is so easy to put together, it takes minutes. So when you take this apart, it just starts coming into place on its own. It's magnetic and it has these strings inside here, so you're never gonna, it's always gonna go to the right place. And then once you get them all in place, and then this longer one is like that, then you just move it around so that the ones with the feet on it are at the bottom, just like that. I don't know if you can see it at this angle. Just like that. And so now I'm going to go ahead and put this top part on, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to try to videotape it. So these right here just go onto these poles. Okay, so that is on snug. See there, I put the top on. Now I just have to get this seat on. Now the bottom is really tight to get on. I actually took the poles out, attached it, and then trying to reposition the poles in there. But that's really how fast it is to put this together. So yeah, if you were hiking, that's the seat, and that's how fast it is. It weighs 2 pounds, so you can carry it and then just pull this out and put a seat together. That's how fast it is to put it together. Pretty cool. And I wanted to let you know as well that this chair right here, if you'd be interested in having a chair for your own, the company has offered a free chair in a raffle or in a giveaway. So I'm going to have a giveaway, and whoever, I'll do a random comment picker again, and whoever wins will have one of these chairs shipped to their home. So let's think of a word. I know, how about the name of the company? Let's use this word right here. EDEUOEY. So just put that word down. I don't care if it's in a sentence or how you use it, and that'll enter you into the drawing to win the free chair. All right, I'm going to take the chair apart outside, and the kitten is just into everything. So here's the carrying case, and it's the same thing, you know, about 2 minutes to take it apart and get it fit securely inside the carrying case. So let's take the seat off first. And it just comes right off. I'm in my backyard, so you can see the kitten there peeking out the door. And then these, of course, they are magnetic with strings, so they just stay right where they're supposed to. You're not going to lose the spot that they belong. Wrap them all up together and put them in the case with the seat. Now this runs for $24 for one on Amazon, and 2 are on sale for $42. Although I was sent the chair straight from the company, so the company is going to send the chair straight to the winner. It's not going to come through Amazon. But I will put a link below to Amazon if you'd like to look further into this chair. It weighs 2 pounds, and it does hold up to 230 pounds. So good luck in the drawing. I'm very happy to have this extra chair, and I would think that anyone who, you know, goes camping and, you know, outdoors and wants an extra chair, I think would be very happy in having the chair as well. So again, good luck, and I'll see you in my next video.